Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell courses on Etsy in 2024. So today we're going to talk about Etsy. Etsy, first of all, is known for handmade and vintage items, but also allows you to sell some digital products like courses. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and sell your courses on Etsy. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use this wherever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Basically, just go to etsy.com right away. If you have an account, make sure, of course, this will take you right away into the home screen and main screen. If you have an account, make sure to just go and log in into it. Of course, it will, if it's your first time, basically. So let me just go open that. So yeah, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to, as you can see, the same page, but instead of an icon here, you'll find like a sign in option. Click on sign in to sign into an account if you have an account, or click on register to create a new account. You can use a Google, Facebook, or even Apple account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you do so, you should find yourself here. How first of all to start your store, I've already made a video about it. It will take some time, so I'm not going to do it in this video. So make sure to go and see this video in this channel. And now about how to sell a course. So all you need to do is just go and access your shop manager by this icon. Just go and click on it. Of course, for you, if you didn't create your store yet, you'll have to go and create one. You can do it by your own, or you can simply just go and watch the video that I made. It's up to you. Once you do so, all you need to do, go to this list panel and click on listings, which is the second one. Here, you'll be able to start adding listings and add it to your store however you want. As you can see, you'll find first of all the listings that you have, and you'll be able to add any listings that you want. So for me, I'll not be able to add a listing. Why? Because my account is suspended. I validated some uh, terms of service that they have, but it's fine. Of course, I'll be able to file an appeal, but I know that I've been mistaken, so that's not gonna solve it. I need just to go and create another account and etc. Of course, it was just because of a payments option and so. So basically, for you, you'll have to go and click on add a listing at the top right corner right here, and you'll find something like that. So I'll just go and click on edit to edit this listing, show you what's gonna look for you. So for you, it's gonna be something like this. Of course, you'll find everything empty. You'll have to start filling up informations by your own, starting by the title. You'll have to go and add a title of your course. The title of your course, maybe as an example, you're selling a course about, I don't know, about Word as an example or something like that. Just simply enter that out. After that, you'll have to add photo as an example or a video explaining your course. Maybe as an example, I'll just go and upload this video alongside with this picture as an example. With this picture, let's say this is the pictures and a small video like or intro into like my course. Other than that, as you can see, of course, we found like the listing with the video gets twice as many orders as listing with photos. So make sure to add a video like an intro. Just go and maybe talk with your face and talk about the course just for like 15 to 20 seconds, example, and get people excited about your course. And then you'll have to add a thumbnail. Of course, the thumbnail can be chosen from the pictures that you choose. So as example, you can choose whatever picture, even from video, and you can simply choose a thumbnail however you want. So example, you can adjust it or crop it or do whatever you want. You can even add alt text to it. Other than that, it's time here to upload your course. Whether it's a video, whether it's I don't know, like PowerPoint file, PPX, I don't know what type of file do you have, what type of course do you have, maybe just like a Word, PPT as I said before, PowerPoint or a video. Just go and upload all the files that's included in your course. But keep in mind that you can add just up to 5 files. You'll not be able to upload anything that you want. So up to 5 files you'll be able to upload however you want. I don't think there is like a gap, a limit to the gigabyte or the size that you can upload. So you will have to figure out that by your own. And now you will have to enter a description for your course. Add it. Of course, if you want to add any personalization, you can do it. And of course, then you can simply just enter your price, the price of that course. Maybe as an example, it's 500. I'll just put 500 of my currency. And here you can put the quantity that you have of this course. If you have infinitely, as an example, you can just put like this amount. And if it gets like order lot, you can simply just keep putting it because you'll have to put a quantity. And of course, here this estimated profit is just of like for tax purposes, so you don't have to worry about it. If you want to add an SKU or barcode, you can simply just add it. Not just optional, you don't have to add it. For variation, of course, digital items normally don't have a variation, so you don't have to. And as you can see, for the you'll have to add some core details like digital files example. You can simply just change this. First of all, like digital file, who made this example? I did it. What is this example? Finished product. When it's made example, maybe I will do this and click on apply. And as you can see, the category, what's about, like maybe it's about gaming, maybe how to beat a boss, as example. Maybe it's about I don't know, editing or filming or something like that. I don't know. It's up to you to choose the category, of course. So it's up to you, as I said. Of course, you can add multiple categories as an example. So let's just go here and add maybe just type video. So I'll just choose templates. Why not? Then you'll have to add some attributes. Again, it's just optional. You don't have to add them, but it's up to you. Add some tags, add the materials. Of course, this is for like other digital products. I don't think for a course you'd have to add it. For digital products, you don't have to set up any shipping. And here for the settings, the returns and exchange. Do you want to add like a return like policy, or you don't want to? And for the shop section, where do you want it to be put? Like if you have a specific section into it, if you don't, no need to put anything. Renewal option, is it a manual or automatic as an example? This is like I didn't pay for it, that's why they suspended my account. So normally you'll have to put it automatically because like you'll have to pay for each like thing that you put. So each course that you put, you'll have to pay like 20 cents for it each time it's expired. And yeah, it should be good to go. Once you finish everything, just click on save the changes. And of course, for you, you'll find publish instead of save the changes, and it should be like published into your store right away, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.